Welcome to Semi Living, where we're not zombies. Today, we're probably gonna make something really, really yummy, but not brains. Hi, y'all. Truck driver Linda. Truck driver Paul, he's pumping fuel. I just thought I could do a quick video while he's pumping fuel. Because it's so easy, it's unreal. Soy sauce. It's pretty much a staple in the kitchen, but it has so much sodium. So I started researching it, and I found a recipe for some soy sauce alternative at Genius Kitchen. So I've kind of adapted it a little bit, but I will put the full recipe link in the descriptions. And we're just going to make this up while he's pumping fuel, just to see if this is really going to taste like soy sauce. Alright, and really there's no cooking. The only cooking involved is heating water. So you can go in the truck stop and get it, or you can heat it in your lunchbox. You can get it from your coffee machine. You need 3/4 of a cup of hot water. Add that to your bowl. And 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon. I'm using powdered. You don't want to use the pre-made beef broth. You want a bouillon, because this is super concentrated as far as that goes. Stir that. 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. Half a tablespoon of molasses. That's why I've got this glove on, to get the molasses out of there. Take that off. And then a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. I don't know if y'all have ever smelled sesame oil. It's got such a lovely flavor. And just a little bit, about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. That's it. So I didn't add any salt to it. You're gonna have to taste it. Feel like if you need some salt added to it. So now I just want to taste it and see how it tastes. Oh, it smells like soy sauce. Oh, wow, y'all, that tastes just like soy sauce. That is unbelievable. And nowhere near the sodium that's in soy sauce. This is the bomb. You know, low sodium soy sauce has 176 milligrams per tablespoon of sodium. Batch has about 70 milligrams of sodium per tablespoon for this alternative soy sauce. Now it's going to depend on what bouillon you use, and if you add extra salt for your alternative. Pay attention to the sodium, divide it up by how much you make, and you'll get how much sodium is in there. So anyway, I highly recommend this. I hope all of you make it, and I hope you all replace your low sodium soy sauce with this soy sauce alternative. So I will post a link to the full recipe in the descriptions. That's all I got for now, so I'm gonna make some meatballs. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me if you make it and how you think it tastes.